Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you honest reviews and tips to live your healthiest, happiest life. Today's video is a game changer. If you've been struggling with weight control, feeling low on energy, or just not loving what you see in the mirror, stick around because we're diving deep into a product that's been making waves. Mitolyn. What makes Mitolyn so special? It's a cutting-edge supplement designed to help your body from the inside out by supporting your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. But does it really deliver the results people are raving about? In this video, we'll uncover everything you need to know. What Mitolyn is and how it works, its unique ingredients and benefits, real pros and cons, and most importantly, whether it's the right fit for you. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's find out if Mitolyn is the missing piece in your health journey. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our honest reviews and health tips. Let's dive in. Are you tired of struggling with weight control, lack of energy, and low self-esteem? What if I told you there's a solution that has been helping thousands of people worldwide achieve real results? In this video, we'll take a closer look at Mitolyn, the game changer for your health. Product introduction. Mitolyn is trending for all the right reasons. But does it really deliver on its promises? Stick with me in this video as we explore its features, benefits, pros, and cons. By the end, you'll know if Mitolyn is the right choice for you. Key features and benefits. Feature 1. Exclusive formula. Mitolyn's unique formula sets it apart. Unlike other products, each capsule of Mitolyn contains a blend of 6 rare and specific ingredients that promote calorie burning within your mitochondria. Here are their names. Some might sound unfamiliar. Maki berry, rhodiola, hematococcus, amla, theobroma cacao, schisandra. Why are these ingredients specifically designed for mitochondrial health? A study conducted at Harvard, involving microscopic techniques on 1,700 men and women, found a common factor in overweight individuals: low levels of mitochondria. Conversely, slim, toned, and youthful-looking individuals shared a common trait: high levels of mitochondria. Mitochondria are like tiny engines inside your cells that produce energy from the food you eat, burning stored fat in the process. In summary, mitochondria burn fat and fuel your body, keeping it running smoothly. The more mitochondria you have, the more fat you burn. Mitolyn is unlike anything you've ever tried before. It's one of the few products in the world with a patented blend of 6 exotic plant nutrients designed to maintain mitochondria at healthy levels. For reference, I've included sources in the description. Many users report noticeable improvements in a short time. Feature 2. Natural formula. Here are some additional highlights. All natural ingredients. Plant-based formula. Non-addictive. Stimulant-free. Non-GMO. Easy to swallow. Main benefit. Mitolyn doesn't just offer quick fixes. It delivers sustainable results. Many users report reduced belly fat, increased energy, boosted self-esteem. And all of this comes without side effects or complications. How it works. As I've mentioned, the science behind Mitolyn is impressive. It strengthens mitochondria in your cells to address the root cause of obesity. Plus, Mitolyn comes with clear instructions, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine, even for those with busy schedules. Pros and cons. Pros. 100% natural and safe to use. Thousands of positive reviews from real users. Affordable pricing with discounts for bulk purchases. Your order is protected by a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not amazed at how quickly your stubborn fat stores melt into pure energy or stunned by your newly toned body in the mirror, simply let us know anytime within the next 90 days, and we'll refund every penny of your investment. No questions asked. Cons. Results may vary depending on individual factors. Available exclusively online, not found in physical stores. Is Mitolyn worth it? If you're looking for a natural, proven way to lose weight healthily and sustainably, Mitolyn is definitely worth considering. But remember, like any product, it works best with consistency and dedication. Ready to transform your health? Click the link in the description to learn more about Mitolyn and see how it can help you today. To make things easier, I've pinned the link in the comment section. Plus, when you purchase 3 bottles, you'll get 2 free bonus ebooks. Don't wait. Your journey to the body you've always wanted and a confidence boost starts now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and health tips. See you in the next video.